Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add both velocity and camera tracking to your videos on CapCut PC. So first go to AI Stylize and select the style, which is the auto velocity one, and you're just going to wait for it to be applied to your videos. Then you're just going to right click, create compound clip, go back to you don't need to select compound clip, sorry. You're just going to either select the AI movement and camera tracking. I'm just going to select this one. Okay. Won't detect her face for some reason, so let me try. Okay, I just went to the first frame. It is a little bit shaky because I did put velocity first. And then I can just fit to canvas, and that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.